From online shops to in-store purchases, I want to educate the youth by becoming young entrepreneurs by reselling products that increase income by reselling shoes or streetwear. From beginners to advanced reselling methods, I show you ways to make money from the comfort of your chair to early morning grinding sessions. Join me into living a reseller lifestyle. Yo, what is up everyone? Before I get straight into the video on how to cop the Yecheils that are dropping this Friday, the December 20th, I just want to do a little recap and revamp of the Bred 11s that just recently released, as well as the Yeezys. First things first, guys, this drop was absolutely insane. Last year when the Concord 11s came out, it wasn't just like this at all. It was still sitting even on the SellSneakerz app and even in stores, but for some reason, I don't know if it was just a colorway being black and red or something, the freaking Bred 11s were really hard to actually get. I went into the SellSneakerz app and was trying to get into all my accounts on BNB, and I wasn't even able to cop any on there as well, so that just says a lot. I know that this shoe was actually produced a lot, so I don't know why it was so hard to get the shoe. Even waiting in line, like I saw a huge line. There was lines on lines with a bunch of people that were literally waiting for the shoe for several hours. And if you know me and my grind, I like to be the first one there, and I wasn't even the first person there, so that just says a lot on how crazy this anticipation of this release was. The Bred 11s, though, I did notice from the 2012 version and this year's version was actually the quality. The quality itself was okay, but I did notice that the Bred bottoms, the gum bottoms and stuff like that, whatever, or the red bottoms I should say, were a lot lighter and stuff. And then the other thing that I noticed was different was the carbon fiber on the bottom of the shoe, which I'm going to be showing a little clip of videos right here on the side of the video, showing you guys the review of the shoe and how it looks. The other thing that I noticed that was different was obviously the box. The box this year had a 2000 or 1990 kind of look in a way. It didn't have that slide-in thing that you usually pull out and then you're able to take off the top with the whole see-through red and stuff. I mean, if you know what I'm talking about, if you've seen the Bred 11s in 2012. And yeah, but regard to the Yeezys, those things actually sad, guys. A lot of people were actually shocked. I myself, when I saw them in person, I didn't want to buy them due to the fact that I just think the shoe overall was an absolutely ugly colorway. No disrespect to anyone that thought the shoe was nice and all, but I just didn't really mess with it. Regard to the prices on StockX, the resale value on those Yeezys were $250 to $260 and nothing higher. I think the ones that were getting for more were obviously the reflected pair, which were on Yeezy Supply. But that was obviously a bust because everyone and their moms are always on that website, as well as bot users like me. So yeah, I was able to cop 11 pairs. Shout out to my friends who did help me get the stuff, and then shout out to the people who did pre-orders with me. I usually do pre-orders on my Instagram at SellSneakerz. So if you guys live locally in Chicago or in the suburbs, I'm more than welcome to do pre-orders for you as long as they have the money before, or just give it to me on the same drop day. So yeah, like I said, a huge shout out to that. I did use AIO bot. I was able to manage to get 2 or 3 pairs. So waiting for them to come in the mail and stuff like that. All the sizes that I did get were sizes 8.5, 9, 11, 11.5, 12, and 13. So it was a little bit of variety, but like I said, it was mostly for pre-orders. I didn't think the hype was all going to be there. I know in Chicago it was going to be hyped up, but not as much as I thought it would be. Literally, the only thing that I saw that I noticed with the Bred 11s was the grade school was actually the only thing that actually sat. I didn't see many people grabbing them as well, and then I saw the prices on StockX and it wasn't that much money to be made, so I kind of just let that go. The resale prediction was actually correct. It was between $300 to $320, or being the less amount being $280 if you're really desperate for some money or just want to get rid of them. But yeah, regards to holding or selling, I definitely would recommend you guys probably selling them. I noticed with any type of 11, the usual price is always going to be $300 dead stock. They don't really go up in price later unless you have the Space Jams or any other 11 that doesn't, isn't the same as the Concords or the Breds, being the most basic shoes that came out this year and stuff like that. But this was definitely a crazy Jordan release for December. And yeah, but what did you guys think? Were you guys able to cop the Bred 11s? How many pairs did you guys get? Leave it down in the comment section below. Then that's pretty much it for the recap for the Bred 11s. Now let's get straight into how to cop the Yeezys this Friday, December 20th, the Yecheil ones coming out. What is up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be showing you guys how to cop the Yeezy Yecheils coming out December 20th at a retail price of $220. Now, as you guys may or may not know, Yeezy has been coming out with a bunch of Yeezy V2 colorways, but this one being one of the second most anticipated colorway besides the all black Yeezy V2s. We now have like this Yecheil, which is like 4 different colorways from like the previous Yeezys into one. So this release is going to be a little bit different. I know that the resale value between now and then that like later, I know that right now it's going for like $340 to like $400. The price is probably going to drop as soon as the release does occur. I think that the resale is going to be for any size probably be between $300 to $360 if that. Obviously, like I said, the retail price is $220 after taxes is going to be like $240, so there still is a margin to be made of profit and stuff like that. So do take advantage of this. I do recommend you guys doing pre-orders from anyone that you know. Get a list, get some friends, then from there just try to get it in store as well as online. Obviously, guys, you always, like I always recommend, is using the bot AIO. Big shout out to AIO for coming in clutch for last release. I was able to get 2 or 3 pairs online. I wasn't trying so much online, more in person, because I just had to get my pre-orders done and in there. So I didn't even want to wait for that. I wanted to get the shoe there and then. So that's why I decided to go in store. I was able to get 11 pairs of Breds, and I plan to do the same thing for this release. Like I said, big shout out to my friends that helped me out and stuff, because I wouldn't be able to get as many pairs without them. So yeah. But anyways, back to the Yeezys and stuff. Like I said, it's releasing this Friday. It is going to be available for many platforms online, including all the foot sites as well as JD Sports, and then I think through this, not the next SNKRS app, Yeezy Supply and Adidas, obviously. So make sure you guys are on the lookout for that. The more anticipated shoe is going to be obviously the reflective pair. It is going to be going for obviously $220 retail as well. And then I think the resale prediction on that one is going to be between $500 to $600. Really depends on the size that you get. So if you're able to get your hands on the reflective pair online from Yeezy Supply or Adidas, definitely do try to get it as smaller sizes. I recommend getting the size 5, 5.5, or 6. Then from there, you can still get any size and still make any money. But those are going to be your money sizes for sure. Then regards to you using or getting it, your best technique or advice would be going through the raffles, like I said, going through Finish Line, which I believe already ended today, unfortunately. But I do know that they are going to have it obviously for the foot sites like Champs, Foot Locker, and Eastbay, and all the other stuff like that. So your chances do increase if you are able to get more of your friends to enter the raffles for you. Obviously, what I also recommend is going at 3 o'clock, 6 p.m., or whenever the raffle ends for the reservations to be in line to actually get the shoe. Obviously doesn't help your clients or increases your chances of getting them. And then obviously using, like I said, AIO bot, NSB, or any type of bot that is going to help you increase your chances of getting it. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Regards to the Yeezy, this is like the best advice or tips I can give you guys to getting the shoe. And yeah, that's pretty much it about it. Anyways, guys, do me a favor, make sure you guys hit and like and subscribe. This is a quick little short video just showing you guys what the best advice and tips are for this Yeezy release. So as long as you follow that, you guys should be straight. I'm going to be making a setup video on how to use NSB, Supreme, and then all the other stuff, because I do realize that the Supreme BOGO t-shirt is going to be releasing this Thursday, so I'm going to be making a separate video after this one showing you guys how to use that too. So yeah, anyways, guys, good luck at getting the shoes. And like I said, if you guys enjoy my video content, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure you guys drop it down in the comment section below. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.